Okay, solving equations. Now this first equation is really a grade D equation, nothing special about it at all apart from the fact that you've got x's on both sides. That makes it a grade D level 6 equation. The second one's got a fraction and the unknowns on the underneath, which makes it relatively tricky, and we'll talk about that in a minute. Okay, so the first one, start off with by always deal with the x's on both sides by removing the smaller of the two, which just happens to be the 5x. So we get 4x minus 3 equals 2, and then we add 3 to get 4x equals 5, and then we divide by the 4 to get x equals 1 1/4 or 1.25. Either of those is fine, 3 marks. You would get 1 mark for removing the 5x or for moving the 3. So if you've got the 5 on this side or you've got the 4x on that side, that's 1 method mark. You get the second method mark for doing both of those, which is the 4x equals 5, and 1 for getting to the answer. Alright, solving this question, first of all we just deal with the 3 by taking it away to give us 8. And then we've got to think about 4 divided by something is 8. Now, what goes into 4 8 times? Well, that's 0.5, but a couple of techniques we could use here. We could multiply by y to get 4 equals 8y, and then divide by the 8 to get y equals a half. Or another technique we can use with fractions, we can switch diagonals on equals where you've got one fraction equals another, so we can just swap. We could just go straight to this where we have 4 over 8 equals y. That's a technique that some students will remember. So y equals a half. Now I've put this down as a grade C question because of that difficulty with the y underneath, and the first question part was only grade D, but this is towards a grade C question.